Welcome back to Carreview Hub 2025, your ultimate destination for the most exciting and detailed car reviews on the internet. Today we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454. Yes, you heard that right, the Nova is back. And it's not just a car, it's a revolution in classic American muscle fused with futuristic innovation. Chevrolet has reimagined this icon for a new generation, and trust me, this one's gonna blow your mind. The moment you see the new 2026 Chevy Nova 454, it demands your attention. This isn't just a redesign, it's a resurrection of a true performance icon. The Nova's exterior captures that perfect mix of nostalgia and modern aggression. From the front, the wide, low-slung stance immediately screams muscle. The front fascia is sharp and aerodynamic, featuring Chevrolet's new LED matrix headlamps that slice through the darkness with a bold, high-tech glare. The hood proudly showcases those signature dual heat extractor vents, a nod to the classic muscle cars of the 70s, but with a modern twist, giving the Nova both function and fierce attitude. Along the sides, the body lines are clean but muscular, with a sleek coupe silhouette that hugs the ground like it's ready to launch at any second. Chevrolet offers the 2026 Nova 454 in a stunning lineup of colors, but the standout in US showrooms is Inferno Red Metallic, a fiery, deep tone that highlights every curve under the light. Add in those massive 20-inch forged alloy wheels with black inserts, and you've got a ride that looks just as fast standing still as it does on the move. Around the rear, the design team nailed the retro-futuristic balance. You'll find a slim LED light bar stretching across the back, a subtle ducktail spoiler, and dual exhaust tips finished in brushed chrome. Every detail, from the aggressive stance to the low rear diffuser, whispers one thing: performance. The 2026 Nova doesn't just look fast, it is fast. Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that merges performance heritage with cutting-edge technology. The cabin feels like a driver's cockpit designed for the future. Chevrolet has completely reworked the dashboard, wrapping it in a mix of premium leather, carbon fiber, and soft-touch Alcantara. The 12.9-inch digital instrument cluster flows seamlessly into a 13-inch infotainment screen that's fully customizable and powered by Chevy's latest MyLink OS. It's sharp, responsive, and packed with features like wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and built-in Alexa integration. The seats are pure performance luxury, deep bucket sport seats with contrast stitching, cooling and heating functions, and full power adjustment. You can feel the bolsters hug you perfectly when you hit those corners. For those who love long drives, the Nova 454 delivers top-tier comfort too. Dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and a premium Bose sound system wrap you in pure modern muscle serenity. Even the rear seats, while tight, are surprisingly usable for short trips, and the trunk offers enough space for your weekend luggage or a couple of track bags. Now, let's talk about what makes the Nova 454 truly roar: performance. Under that sculpted hood lies a 6.6-liter V8 engine, a modern reinterpretation of the legendary 454 power plant. It delivers a jaw-dropping 640 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque. All that power is sent to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts with lightning precision. Chevrolet also offers a 6-speed manual option for purists who want that old-school muscle car connection. Acceleration? Insane! 0 to 60 comes in just 3.5 seconds, making the Nova 454 one of the quickest American coupes in its class. The adaptive magnetic ride suspension gives you the perfect balance between track aggression and daily comfort. Whether you're cruising the city streets or tearing up a track, this machine feels planted, powerful, and confident. Despite its muscle heritage, Chevrolet has also integrated modern fuel efficiency tech, cylinder deactivation, and a lightweight aluminum chassis. Combined, they help deliver a decent 22 miles per gallon highway, which is impressive for a car with this much raw power. In terms of technology and safety, the 2026 Nova 454 doesn't hold back. It comes equipped with Chevrolet's latest Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree HD camera system. It's like having a race engineer in your car. Connectivity-wise, 5G onboard Wi-Fi, over-the-air updates, and advanced voice controls make this car as smart as it is fast. Now, let's talk about trims and pricing. The 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454 comes in three main trims: the base LT Performance, RS Sport, and the top-of-the-line SS 454 edition. The LT starts around $48,000, offering great value for a performance coupe. The RS Sport adds enhanced suspension tuning, upgraded interior materials, and advanced tech for around $58,000. But the real beast, the SS 454 edition, starts at about $72,000. And that's where you get the full 640 horsepower engine, track-ready brakes, and all the aggressive design cues that make the Nova a true legend reborn. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454? Chevrolet has done something truly special here. They've brought back the soul of the classic muscle car and injected it with modern-day performance, technology, and design. It's raw, it's refined, and it's ready to dominate the streets once again. The Nova name lives on, not as a nostalgic tribute, but as a powerful statement that American muscle still rules. If you're a fan of high performance, bold design, and cars that make your heart race, the 2026 Nova 454 is a must-see and a must-drive. Thanks for watching Carreview Hub 2025. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the reborn Chevrolet Nova 454, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more epic car reviews coming your way every week. This is Carreview Hub 2025, where passion meets horsepower, and we'll see you in the next one.